And welcome guys to my first video. My name is Vasily and welcome back to my first video. So welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about Python. This is like the Python tutorial, and let's get started. So Python is the programming language, and if you want to code, the best way to code is to learn Python. I'm using currently the app Replit, so I recommend you use it. So you must create your new file or a REPL and get started. So first command everybody use is command print. So you type like these, all small, and type print. So the print command is the command which you can talk. So we will pick this and type print, and now you put these two and quotes. So parentheses and quotes. And now you type it in. What do you want to say or anything? So I'll say hello world. So you can type anything you want. I'll say hello, just hello. And now if we click on the run, it is gonna appear down here, right? So it is login package. Oh, sorry, I didn't run it. So here it is, hello. So we must learn this command print hello, but we must get something a little bit better and harder. So you want to type hello, and you want to type in maybe like my name is Susan. You can type in with a smaller anything. So I will type like this, and if you print that, it will say these two things like hello, my name is Susan. But we can do it some different way, but we'll talk about that later. So what else you need to learn is some other comments. We don't have to just print. So this is by talk, but let's create a variable. What is variable? But first, if we need variable, we need to use something that's called the input function. So for example, if you type in input, so like these, input, parentheses and quotes, what actually means the input function? Input function means that the bot or something or the computer will ask you a question, maybe like what's your name or something, and you can literally answer him. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna ask what is your name. So we're gonna ask what is your name. So the computer asks us what is our name. You see, we're gonna click it to run, and we will be able to like tell him. You see this? It is waiting for our response. We're gonna type I don't know, in my case Vasily, and that's it. We literally like tell him what our name was. But we can do this. We can combine two functions in one. let's say print and put parenthesis and input and put one more parenthesis here. So what is gonna now happen? Okay, pause the video and tell me what is going to happen. I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, resume. So if we click on run and we told the computer what is our name, Vasily, it will print our name down here. But we don't need that. We can do this. Something exists what is called the variable. The variables are the words, literally a word, like name. And we could do this. So name, and we could just do this like so. I'm gonna like delete this because I don't need this, and we don't need this anymore. So I have name, that is a variable. We type name and type equal to the parenthesis. No parentheses actually, just quotes, and now type what is our name. We're gonna say, in my case, Vasily. And now we're gonna click on run, and it has one more variable, and that is age. But you can create your own variables, like look at this, hi, and you can just class the person or tell us something about the person. Weight, so we're gonna type in weight, and now you can literally do all these things. Age, I'll say I don't know, 30 maybe. I mean, I'm not 30, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna say, yeah, I'm 30. Now wait, I'm gonna say, no, hi. I'm gonna say like, no. I'm gonna say like 196 meters. No, just 196 centimeters. So we're gonna like put this, and this is not a variable that exists, so we made our own variable. And I'm gonna say like this, like lbs. I'm gonna say 60, I don't know. And now, but if we click on the run, something will happen that we don't know anyway. And that is nothing. Nothing will happen. Why? Because we didn't tell our computer what actually to do. Like, we must say this, print. If we say print name, that's it. No quotes. Print name, then print age. So, but why do we need to use print? Because if we use print, it will show up like a string or a word or everything. But if we don't use print, the computer, you didn't tell computer anything. You just type in variables, words, and he doesn't know what to do with it. So you must type in input or print, but just type in input and do what I am doing right now. So, but look, you can create your own variables like exam, RPS, rock, paper, scissors, temperature, weather, or anything you want, but you need to type it correctly. So print age, then, and so you just type print and type what you typed here. Print name, here, print name. Print age, here, print age. Print high centimeters, here. and print weight LLBS. So if you don't print numbers, you print that variable. And variables are name, age, height, centimeters, weight, LBS. That is just the words. But when you combine it, or when you do other stuff like print or something else, it will become a variable. So when we do this, it will show up. Vasily, age 30, height on centimeters, it's 196, and weight LBS 60. So that is how it works, and we have some other stuff to do else. We need to learn to combine the things. We must do something now. So we must do one thing that is called combining input with a variable. For example, if we want to, the computer asks us what is our name, and we want to respond him and he to say hello and our name. How do we do that, Vasily? I'm gonna show you. Calm down. But remember, if you don't know these things, watch the video again or practice. So now when you know it, it is not enough to just watch this video. You also need to practice, like me or like everyone. When you practice, your skill will just get up. And that's how you actually become a master. So we type in name and the input. So we type in name, if you're watching, name variable equal to input. So the variable is equal to input, and we're gonna say, and the computer asks us, what is your name? What this means? This means that the computer, this name, whatever name we told him, so he's gonna ask us what is our name, and every name we told him, he's gonna print. So literally the name, he's going to print that. So you type your name, what is your name, and we're gonna say that he say hello to us. So we're gonna say hello, parentheses, and now go outside the parentheses, with the quotes, and type it plus and name. So it will be like this. We're gonna say hello, and now it's gonna say hello. So let's try it again. What is our name? So you type what your name is. I'll type in Vasily, and he's gonna say hello, Vasily. That is how it works. So you type this, and it's gonna do this. If you don't understand, I will explain. When you type in your name, the computer will use your name and print hello with your name. So you type in, so he asks you what is your name, but you type it this name equal. What does that mean? Whatever name you type, he's gonna print that name, and he's gonna put hello and your name. So but when you're doing hello, put the space, because this will happen. It will just be grim. If you put space, what is your name? I'll say Beatrice, I don't know, and you see hello Beatrice. That is how it works, and I'm gonna show you one more thing before I go, and that is what this means. So we can say we are learning Python. But if you type in this and then click run, nothing will happen. Why? Because the computer, this is the what we told. This is like we told our computer, hey buddy, don't see that. That is only for humans. So when you type in this here, I will add this thing to my, and now if you see, it changed the color to gray. So now if I click this button here, nothing will happen because we told our computer to ignore it. So that is now only for humans. So the computer does not see that actually. So that is what you actually need to know. And you're gonna say one more comment, and that is the comment if. So if you're, I don't know, if you're doing something like temperature like I was doing, so create the variable temperature and then put equal to input. You gotta know if. What it means if. If is something equal to equal of, or if it's something higher, then that will happen. But we will do that in the next class. Now what I want you to do is to practice. So literally all that I showed you, you need to practice that. But one more thing we need to know, and that is, if we want to say many variables, we can do this. Say, hello, I am Iron Man. That is only the example, but we can do this. And then, no. Then we're gonna say, no, I am Poppy. So no, I am Poppy. But you see that nothing will happen. If you do like me, it will claim you an error. So you need to do what I will do now. You need to put 3 this like quotes in either side. So when you do this, you need to have 3 quotes right here. So if you put 3 quotes, so if you put 3 quotes right here, you see 3 quotes, and now you're gonna say 3 quotes, and you put 3 quotes on this side, you can successfully do this. So if you put 3 quotes, it will say, hello, I'm Iron Man, and no, I'm Poppy. But if you do with 2 quotes, double quotes, it will say error or something. So if you want to do like this, you can also do like this or like this command. And now you must practice this. I'll give you something you need to practice. For the next class or next tutorial, I need you to practice the input function, the print function, and the function and the variables. What is the variable, how to do it, how to print it. You need to practice that, and I'm literally gonna show you, and that is it. In the next class, we're gonna learn math in Python, and then something else I'm going to show you. Thank you all for following and for watching this. I hope you I helped it, and also we will later learn how to code a quiz, a game. But before that, you must know the functions. So I'm gonna upload some new videos, and I'm gonna show you the most important functions in next video. This is just for the beginning. I was actually not to show you. So thank you everyone for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video, and bye bye.